Set up your base and leg as shown. Insert your support pole into the base. Place between 1 and 6 weights on your support foot as per your project plan. Secure weights by inserting the bolt and sliding this back to locate it into the slot on the support foot. Tighten the wing nut. At this stage, do not tighten the wing nut located on the support upright. Next, insert a floor U-channel as shown. This must sit in the groove of each support foot to ensure stability. Panels should be positioned central to each support foot, with one support foot placed every panel. Ensure that weights are in place and secured before inserting a panel. Repeat this process as required. Watch the video closely to see the easiest way to insert a panel into the U-channel. To insert top U-channel, raise each pole one at a time. Use the associated hook based on your panel depth. Pull down sharply on each pole to ensure this is secure before tightening the wing nut located on the upright.